Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designs of crochet hats. You will see different kinds of sun hat designing ideas in this video, which are having different kinds of embellishments on them, which are made with different kinds of crochet flowers. You will see daisy flower, simple two round flowers are added on some of the designs. You will see smiles added on different designs, and you will see different fruits added on these sun hats to make them look more embellished and stunning as well. So I hope you're gonna love them all. All of these designs are having very attractive and beautiful color schemes used in them. Yeah, and you can see this beautiful and most attractive hat in pink color, and strawberries are made on it. And this one is having a very beautiful and attractive, just simple two round flower. One is made with single crochet, and then double crochet petals are made. So different kinds of patterns are included, and I hope you're gonna love them all and their color schemes too. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home. If you know crochet work, you can see these designs are having simple round bases which are mostly made with double crochet, and some of the designs are made with single crochet as well. And then just rounds and rounds of single crochet or double crochet are made in most of these designs. Increasing patterns are used for the brim part, and then different kinds of crochet accessories are attached on them. Like you can see this beautiful design which is having very attractive and beautiful clouds added in white color on a very attractive and beautiful light blue color which is representing sky. So different kinds of designs are having different color schemes according to their shapes and their designing. So you can see patchwork designing ideas are also included in this video, like this one which is having a Afghan square flower work, and you will see 3D kind of flower work square patches as well, like this one in which double crochet popcorn stitch is made, and you will see double crochet together stitch designs as well in this video. So all of these designs are unique, and I hope you gonna love them all. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like them, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. So stay connected to get all types of crochet stuff ideas, and I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel. You will find some brim hats tutorial videos which are for babies on my channel, and the same pattern can be made for adult medium, small and large sizes as well. So same patterns can be copied. Most of the stuff which are available on my channel are for kids. So stay connected to get all of them. Thank you for